Welcome to jzgraphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern car poster design in Adobe Photoshop. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Create a solid color adjustment layer. Add light color to it. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. And change its font to the Messerine. Adjust the text settings. Adjust the text size, and drag the text. Then right-click on Text Layer, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Rotate the text. Right-click and choose Perspective, and drag it from its corner. And follow me. Go to the File menu, Place Embedded, select your image and place. Right-click, and choose Flip Horizontal. Adjust the image placement. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Select bottom layer, go to the Filter menu, Blur Gallery, then Path Blur. Follow my blur settings. Follow my other text settings. Place the brand logo here. Select both text layer, right-click, and choose Convert to Smart Object. Create blank layer. Right-click, and choose Create Clipping Mask. Select Brush Tool. Choose lighter shade. And apply like this. Place men's image. Adjust its placement. Press Ctrl+J for duplicate copy. Select bottom layer. Add black color overlay to it. Hold it from top, and drag it downward. Add layer mask, and apply gradient like this. Decrease its opacity to 70%. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.